Welcome to the Daily Rebirth, your go-to guide for financial wisdom and personal growth. We're here to help you navigate your financial journey, dodge the pitfalls, and steer you towards prosperity. We believe in empowering you with knowledge to make informed decisions about your money. So, buckle up and let's dive into today's enlightening topic. Have you ever wondered why you're working hard but still struggling to make ends meet? You might be falling into one of the many money traps that keep people stuck in poverty. Today, we're exposing these traps one by one to help you steer clear of them and secure your financial future. First up, we have overspending and lifestyle inflation. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending more as you earn more. But constantly upgrading your lifestyle can lead to financial instability. Instead, aim to live below your means and save the extra income. Next, we have the lack of savings and an emergency fund. Without a safety net, one unexpected expense can send you spiraling into debt. Make saving a priority and build an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. High-interest debt is a trap that can keep you in a cycle of poverty. It's like a hole that gets deeper the longer you're in it. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, as quickly as possible. Welcome back. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Now, let's dive into another money trap: the allure of minimum payments. The minimum payment is a sneaky trap that can keep you in debt for years. While it might seem tempting to only pay the minimum amount due on your credit card bill, this approach could cost you a lot in the long run. Credit card companies make a profit from the interest they charge you on the balance. So, the longer it takes you to pay off your debt, the more money they make. It's important to understand that paying only the minimum amount will not help you reduce your debt significantly. Instead, try to pay more than the minimum amount whenever you can. This will help you reduce your debt faster and save you money in interest. Remember, the goal is not just to manage your debt, but to eliminate it. Now let's continue with the rest of the traps. Impulse buying is another trap that can derail your budget and keep you from reaching your financial goals. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a want or a need. Next on our list is neglecting investments. Long-term wealth accumulation and retirement planning require investing. Don't shy away from it. Start small if you must, but start. Ignoring budgeting is a trap that can lead to financial chaos. A budget is your roadmap to financial success. It helps you track expenses and achieve your financial goals. Living paycheck to paycheck is a risky way to live. Without a financial safety net, you're always one emergency away from financial disaster. Start breaking this cycle by saving a little from each paycheck. We also have the lack of financial education. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to money. Learn about personal finance to make informed decisions and manage your money effectively. Failing to plan for the future is another trap that can keep you stuck in the present. Set financial goals and create a strategic plan for achieving them. Remember, a goal without a plan is just a wish. Finally, we have the fear of taking risks. Calculated risks can lead to financial growth. Don't let fear hold you back from seizing opportunities. That concludes our list of the 10 most crucial money traps. By understanding and avoiding these traps, you can pave your way to financial freedom and security. Thank you for watching. Now it's your turn to take action. Start implementing these strategies to break free from these money traps and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Share your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe to the Daily Rebirth for more empowering content. See you in our next video, in our next